Former fast bowler Mohammad Asif believes that Pakistan will once again be defeated by the United States of America in the ICC T20 World Cup 2026, just like in the previous edition. Asif suggests that Pakistan needs to make significant changes in the team, including the captain, coach, and players, in order to improve their performance. Pakistan recently lost to Bangladesh in a test match, adding to their struggles in international cricket. Dawid Malan, the former top-ranked T20 batter, has retired from international cricket, citing the inability to handle the intensity of Test cricket. Malan, who excelled in T20, played 22 Tests, 30 ODIs, and 62 T20 internationals, becoming No. 1 in the batting rankings in 2020 and winning the World Cup in 2020. He was left out of the squad for the upcoming white ball series against Australia and hasn't played for England since the 50-over World Cup last year. Sanjay Manjrekar joins Gavaskar in urging Kohli, Rohit, and Bumrah to play in Duleep Trophy. The red ball domestic tournament starts on 5th September with 4 teams competing. Manjrekar points out that the 3 senior players are well rested and could have been a part of the tournament. Former India captain Virat Kohli was seen walking on a street in London with his wife, Anushka Sharma. The couple, dressed casually, crossed the road while Kohli carried shopping bags. Kohli, who retired from T20I, will return for the Test series against Bangladesh, crucial for India's World Test Championship chances. The Bangladesh Cricket Board has decided not to remove all-rounder Shakib Al Hasan from the team despite facing a murder case. The board stated that Shakib will continue playing until proven guilty and they want him to participate in the upcoming Test series against India. The BCB president also mentioned that they are ready to provide legal support if needed. Additionally, Shakib is set to play in the County Championship in England after the Pakistan series, making it unlikely for him to return to Bangladesh anytime soon. In a rain-affected match, West Indies won the toss and chose to bowl against South Africa. After a rain delay of 70 minutes, South Africa struggled to regain momentum. Stubbs played a crucial role for South Africa, hitting several boundaries, but Pooran's 13-ball cameos set the West Indies up for a comprehensive win. This victory comes after West Indies' earlier T20 series win against South Africa and their elimination from the T20 World Cup. Nicholas Pooran's impressive performance of 35 runs from 13 balls leads West Indies to a 3-0 series sweep against South Africa in a rain-shortened third 2020 Cricket International. Shai Hope and Shimron Hetmyer also contribute to the victory with unbeaten scores of 42 and 31 respectively. Jai Shah, the 35-year-old Indian Secretary of the Board of Control for Cricket in India, will replace Greg Barclay as the next chair of the International Cricket Council. Shah aims to further globalize cricket and will have to step down as BCCI secretary once he assumes his role on DEC. 1. Former Australia cricketer Jeff Lawson predicts that Virat Kohli will face mixed reactions from fans in the upcoming Border Gavaskar Trophy, while Jasprit Bumrah is expected to be more welcomed. Lawson believes that Kohli will be involved in a verbal slugfest with some Australian players, while Bumrah will have more chances to interact with fans. Despite the mixed reactions, Australian fans generally appreciate Kohli's performance in their country. Lawson also thinks that Australia will be determined to win back the Border Gavaskar Trophy, as India has dominated the series in recent years. The first test of the series is scheduled to start on 22nd November in Perth. Indian cricketer KL Rahul reveals he struggled with anxiety at the age of 30, fearing his career would end. Now 32, Rahul has become a key player in the Test and ODI squads. However, he is not considered for T20s, which has become more challenging for him after India's triumph in the ICC T20 World Cup 2024. Rahul believes a cricketer can continue playing until the age of 40 if they maintain fitness. He will be playing for Team A in the upcoming Duleep Trophy.